Modernizing Our Home, our renovation story. Our home is where we spend most of our time, and it's essential that it's a comfortable and inviting space. As time passes, our tastes change, and our home may become outdated and in need of a renovation. This is precisely what happened to us. After years of living in our home, we realized that it was time to modernize it and give it a fresh look. This is the story of our renovation journey. First, we assessed our home's current state and identified the areas that needed improvement. The living room was the first on our list. It was dark, cramped, and had outdated furnishings. We decided to remove the wall that separated the living room from the dining area, creating an open concept space. This allowed for more natural light to enter the room, making it brighter and more spacious. We also replaced the outdated furniture with modern pieces that complemented our style. We opted for a neutral color palette, which allowed us to add pops of color with accent pieces. The result was a cozy yet contemporary living room that we loved spending time in. Next on our list was the kitchen. It was small, and the layout was impractical, making cooking and entertaining challenging. We decided to completely gut the kitchen and start from scratch. We hired a professional kitchen designer who helped us come up with a functional layout and choose materials that would stand the test of time. We opted for quartz countertops, which were durable and easy to clean, and installed a large kitchen island that provided ample counter space and storage. We also upgraded our appliances to more energy-efficient models, which saved us money on our electricity bills. Finally, we added a subway tile backsplash that tied the whole kitchen together, giving it a modern yet timeless look. Our next project was the bathroom. It was outdated and in desperate need of an upgrade. We decided to replace the old bathtub with a walk-in shower, which was more practical and took up less space. We chose large porcelain tiles for the shower walls and a modern, frameless glass door to give the bathroom a sleek and contemporary look. We also installed new plumbing fixtures and added a new vanity with a quartz countertop. The final touch was a new mirror and lighting fixtures that complemented the overall design of the bathroom. The result was a spa-like oasis that we loved using every day. Finally, we turned our attention to the outdoor space. Our backyard was an underutilized space that was in need of some TLC. We decided to create an outdoor living area that we could enjoy during the warmer months. We added a patio with a pergola, which provided shade and gave the area a cozy feel. We also added a built-in grill and a small outdoor kitchenette, which allowed us to cook and entertain outside. Finally, we added some landscaping to the area, which gave it a natural and serene feel. Our renovation journey was not without its challenges. It was time-consuming and often stressful, but the end result was worth it. We now have a home that is modern, comfortable, and inviting. We love spending time in our newly renovated spaces and have even noticed an increase in the value of our home. If you're considering a home renovation, it's important to take the time to plan and identify the areas that need improvement. Hiring professionals can also help ensure that the renovation is done correctly and to code. While it may seem daunting, the end result is a home that reflects your style and meets your needs, making it a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, renovating our home was a significant undertaking, but it was one that we are glad we took on. It allowed us to modernize our space, make it more functional, and create a home that we are proud of. Whether you're